Ow! I'm burning! All right, so I put a little mini red hot chili pepper in this. I put a whole medium-sized onion and a small jalapeno sliced. This is gonna be burgers. 80-20, cheap stuff. Okay, let's do this. Why? Because it's got nice salt and it really penetrates the meat. Because this right here is a gourmet burger. Oh yeah! We'll go ahead and put some of this, even though we got fresh garlic, we're gonna add some of that. That should be enough, probably too much. Black salt, Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire. Did I say black salt? I meant black pepper. Okay, so we went ahead and put the minced onions, jalapeno, red hot chili pepper, and garlic clove, and we're gonna mix it in like this. I don't salt the outside of the burgers. I don't put salt or pepper on the outside. It's all going into the meat. And that's the way it's gonna be. Okay, so after we're done mixing it up, we're gonna put it back in the fridge before we make our patties because we want it to be nice and solid. So we'll do that. And we'll just say 10 minutes. And we'll get the grill fired up. We don't like big fat burgers. So we're gonna make these spread out as much as we can. Just wanna make a nice patty. I don't slap my patties, I don't beat them up, I just kind of push them in. And then we, instead of putting one thumbprint in the middle, we just go ahead and poke it with the ends of our fingers like this. And that'll also help it keep kind of spread out. It'll bunch up a little bit, but not as much as it would. Okay, we're gonna put it back in the fridge because the burger meat warmed up a little bit, and it's gonna be a lot better situation for us out on the grill if we take out a nice cold plate of burgers, okay? You don't want to forget this. Don't want to forget that. Here comes the burgers. Here comes the burgers. Okay. Oh yeah, that sounds nice. Get these big boys on here. Enough for 4. Because we all like to have more than one. Oh yeah. It's always fun when there's more than one. You can see they're kind of balling up on you a little bit. You go ahead and push them down a little bit more if you want to. Oh, I'm burning. Don't worry, you're going to be food soon. Just relax. You've never had one, you're missing out. If you've never smelled something like this, because the aroma that you're getting from the onions, the garlic, the fresh peppers that are inside this burger is absolutely amazing. Since it's store-bought meat, I didn't grind my own meat. I like to make sure that they're well done on the inside. Put them about 165. Okay, so now that they've shrunken up quite a bit, I'm getting ready to flip them. I think. See how it goes. Oh yeah, those are great. Look at that. See that crust right there? That's what you want right there. Yeah, these are gonna be great. Can't forget the cheese, please. The flavor on the inside is amazing. You're gonna love it. Give it a shot. And yeah, those are homemade pickles. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that sounds nice.